If you're experiencing issues with Rocket League's multiplayer mode, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing with friends in no time. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting multiplayer functionality. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or another platform, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, ensuring the game runs smoothly. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve multiplayer performance. Step 5. Check network connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Restart your router if necessary and consider using a wired connection for better stability. You may also want to check your firewall settings to ensure Rocket League is allowed to connect to the internet. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve multiplayer issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!